This video will show how to configure a detector in EBLWin. We will configure 4400i. Let's open the Alarm Points tab for demonstration. Right-click on the loop, and add loop unit. The technical address is used for identification during fault searching. It can be set by auto-addressing or with addressing tool. The name can be customized. It will be shown in, for example, Alarm Points List view and the installation document report. Press Apply to add the change. The sequence number is 0, because it is the first unit with short circuit isolator on the loop. The sequence numbers are always arranged in consecutive order on the loop. If you are using auto-addressing function, sequence numbers are automatically assigned during check loop procedure. The presentation number, zone and address, will be shown in the control unit display if the detector is in alarm state. The user-definable alarm text will be shown in the control unit display if the detector is in alarm state. The delay time is specified for the whole system in System Properties window. Here is where you find the delay setting. With this setting, the fire alarm can be delayed for up to 255 seconds, for any detector. If quiet alarm is activated, the detector can be used to activate other functions, for example fire doors or fans. Note that a detector configured as quiet alarm will never generate a real fire alarm. You can use alert annunciation, always, or certain hours. You can disable the detector, always, or certain hours. You can delay the system with 2-unit dependency, always, or certain hours. The time channel settings are found in the System menu. Let's take a quick look at the time channel settings. You can set a function to be activated up to 5 times, during one 24 hours period. You have the possibility to copy and paste. Select learning function if the detector shall select algorithm, using artificial intelligence. Learning function is the default setting. Or select an algorithm of your choice. For example, the clean algorithm can be used for a clean office, and the smoke and steam algorithm can be used for a detector placed outside a shower. You can select an alternative algorithm, used certain hours. For example, you can use a more sensitive algorithm during nighttime. It is possible to disable the smoke sensor, using time channel. Use this when recurring activities, weekly or daily, in the area are likely to trigger a fire alarm, even with smoke, steam or cooking welding algorithm. Select only heat detection when you want to use it as a heat detector only. Only the heat algorithms will be available. Selecting only heat detection disables the alternatives. Quiet alarm, learning function, and smoke detector disablement. Press Apply to add the changes. If you want to add several detectors of the same type, press Control button and add. All added detectors will get the same configuration as the first one, except for technical address and zone address. The detectors are added in the tree view. Overview the configuration in the Alarm Points list. Save the project. Thank you for watching.